Hello everyone, myself Swati. This video is about EDA on sample superstore data. This is the third task given by TSF. I have created an automatic update dashboard through Excel. So first of all, I want to explain my dataset. So this dataset basically contains 13 columns and 9,994 rows. So the columns are ship mode, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, category, subcategory, sales, quantity, discount and profit. As we can see, after every click the chart gets updated, and this is basically a automatic dashboard that I have created using pivot table. So ship mode basically have 4 features: first class, same day, second class, standard class, region, central, east, south, west, segments, consumer, corporate, home office. Subcategories, there are so many features like including the category parts like the furniture. We have bookcases, chairs, furnishing, tables, and in office suppliers like appliance, arts, builders, envelopes, fasteners, labels, papers, storage and supplies. And from technology we have like machine, phones, copiers and accessories. So as we can see, the maximum sale are from in technology, that is phone, and this is from the standard class in the east region. So technology, phone. So this is all about today. Thank you for watching.